All right. So basically, Forex EAs or Forex softwares, they've been out for a long time, okay, for years. I've been in the industry well over 20 years, okay. Um, my first few years, I was introduced to Forex, and I
Mm-hmm.
was also introduced to Forex AI. So I know how to trade manually, and I was also introduced to AIs. So I thought, hey, I'm going to retire early from manual trading with this, with these AIs since I discovered it early. And lo and
Mm-hmm.
behold, there was a rude awakening. There was a rude awakening because um, they're not all the same, and they are the same. They do the same things, which meaning they have certain strategies. You ever heard of the martingale strategy or martingale?
No.
Okay, so you got martingale, you got grid, you got hedging, certain strategies that some of your programmers out there, I call them commercial EAs. What they do is they code the bot because they know that the audience, that most people want to make money fast. So what they do is they code it to where it does make you a certain amount per month in a very fast and efficient way. You may be doing 10 to 20% a month,
Mm-hmm.
and that's going to get it's going to get you elated. You're going to be optimistic, and then one day you wake up and your account is diminished, is gone. Okay, that's the
Mm-hmm.
cycle. I know this because I've tested and researched several of these things, several of these bots over the years.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so what happens with EAs is when you try to push it to make more than what it should, it's putting pressure on the bot, then it's going to eventually blow. I've seen it over and over again. All right. The
Mm-hmm.
difference with my software is it was coded to where number one, it's not going to blow. Number two, it's going to be conservative. And then there's many other strategies that's coded into it, to where it reads the market, it picks up on manipulations, it picks up on news and a lot of other things that makes it a very, very good bot. That's why it's been around for so long. And that's why we have several thousand customers around the world. Not only just not these are not regular customers. We have hedge fund. Are you familiar with what a hedge fund is?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, we have several hedge funds with us that I mean in the millions that's using this bot. So this is not a commercial out of the box, some type of EA you can buy at a Dollar General store. This is this is a real deal here.
Okay.
Okay, so that's what we're dealing with. Um, so you got any questions about that?
No, I guess I need to watch the seminar.
Yeah, what group are you in, Kiki? Are you in my Telegram or WhatsApp?
I think I'm in WhatsApp.
Okay, do me a favor when you get off of here, just message me directly and I'll send you that link to watch that webinar.
Okay.
Okay. Just hold on for a second. Don't get off yet. May have some people that got a couple of folks that hopped on and may have questions. Josiah, what's going on, my man? Willie, welcome in. Welcome in, Willie.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. You guys got any questions? Josiah, what's going on, my man?
Hey, how's it going? I just
Good.
was popping in just to listen.
Okay. How long you been in the group?
I just joined the Telegram group, but I've actually had you on Facebook for some years now.
Is that right?
Um, yeah, we have
For
a
years.
few mutual friends that are, I think some of them are in the Forex space, but
Uh,
um, yeah, I don't know. I can't remember if I added you or what. But I do remember that I've we've been connected for quite some time now.
all
And I came across a YouTube video that was a Zoom
right. Mhm.
recording, And so, yeah, I've been checking it out the last week or so. I'm in some stuff similar, but in the crypto space.
Mm-hmm.
But I like to diversify, and yeah, so I've just been checking it out.
Gotcha, man. Gotcha. I appreciate you coming on. Yeah, you already seen the webinar and everything?
Uh, if it, I guess if it's just the Q&A stuff, that's pretty much all I've seen.
Yeah, yeah. So the website itself has a webinar that's on it that I would have everyone to watch. Um, Definitely do me a favor and message me on WhatsApp after we're done here, and I'll send you the site to go and watch that.
All right, sounds good. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Mr. Willie Smith, you got any questions, my guy?
Matter of fact, I do. I think I may have asked you this question before, but just maybe have to remind me, I guess. But
Mm-hmm.
with what has been, what I have put into the bot so far, when and to see any significant changes, I need to add more to the account to the broker to see some type of change, because pretty much it's going to just you will see it maybe staying at the same pace, but it's nothing maybe significant moving like you want to see unless you add more to the broker, right?
Right. Is this my William Smith? Daphne's your wife?
That's correct.
All right. I was like Willie because that threw me off.
Yeah,
All right,
yeah.
man. Yeah, you're actually
I prefer to call me Will. 'Cause I mean, that got to
Will.
have to. Yeah, I put my full name up there because of another meeting I go to. So,
Now, I'm glad you hopped on. So Will, you're a customer, right?
yes, sir.
You've seen the bot in action, correct?
I've seen it in action.
What have you seen? Have you seen an increase in your account? You see the bot? What just from your? Is this is new to you, right?
It is new. It is new to me. I'm still learning more about it. It's new. Like I
Mm-hmm.
said, I followed you without you probably knowing for a long time, and but I've seen some increase in it, and I'm looking to want to take this thing up to another level, man, and see some
Absolutely.
what I'm saying.
Talk about the because other people are going to hear this. Will talk about the consistency so far. You've been in a short time. What? Tell me. Talk to. What do you the consistency of the bot? What's your thoughts on it?
I see, like you say, is that it works exactly like you said. It works. It's slow and steady. It I seen some increase. I see, my daughter, she's in the Forex trading, and she's trying to break it down to me and get me some understanding.
Uh
And but
huh.
I've seen some increase with it.
Okay, man. Glad to hear that, man.
Yeah.
Let me I'm looking for your account now. Let's see here. 1 second. Oh, here we go. So you actually have a trade open right now.
Okay.
All right.
And
And
maybe you can kind of break it down to me, if you can explain some of how it works. So.
yeah, so uh, right now your account balance is $988. Okay.
Okay.
You have a current trade open right now. AUD NZD. The bot only trades 5 pairs.
Right.
Let me just say the 5 pairs for everybody, that's going to be coming on. The 5 pairs that this bot trades NZD USD, NZD CAD, USD CAD, AUD CAD, and AUD NZD. Those are the 5 pairs that it trades across the board for all customers. Okay. Right now, your account, man, to be honest with you, looking pretty good. Remember, the bot is conservative, does anywhere from 1 to 9. The compounding features are built in and everything. Okay.
Okay.
Right now, for the month, you're up $12.83, going on $13
Okay.
on this side. That's pretty good, man. I tell you what, if you have the same amount in a bank, you will never see that number.
Right.
You wouldn't see that in a year.
I believe it. I
So
got it
so
in the
think
CD,
so.
and I don't see it now.
There you go. There you go. So you're getting this in a month, and it's just going to increase as a compounding effect.
Right.
And or as you add money to it, you can now as you can see, you're a customer. You guys see the consistency of the bot, the conservative nature of the bot, and that should have raised your confidence so far that this thing is the real deal. See what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
you got
sir.
a gold mine in your hands, man. So yeah. To answer your question, yeah, as you increase your balance, the bot is going to detect your balance increase, and it's automatically the coding in it is automatically going to increase your risk level or your
Right.
lot size. That's what's going to happen. Okay, because right now your lot size was doing what's called mini lots,
Right.
0.01. So as your account increases, you're going to see the lot size go to 0.02, 0.03. That means your compounding effect is kicking in, and or your lot sizes are increasing.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So that's the dynamic of it right there.
So
All
let me ask
right.
you. Go
Go
ahead.
ahead.
Let me ask you a question. With
Yeah.
with the with the Iraq currency, do you see that being a big factor? Because I believe some things are going to be happening with that real soon.
Well, say that. What currency?
Does the bot with the currency, does it deal with the Iraq currency?
Does it deal with the Iraq currency?
Yes.
No, sir. No.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah. We don't deal. Yeah, just those 5 pairs I named to you
Okay.
is what the bot's going is what it trades.
Okay.
Yes, sir. All right. You got any more questions for me?
No, sir.
Let
You
me know you got.
I think you put that you got a payment plan coming through
Well,
one of the sites.
I have Afterpay.
Afterpay, that's what it was. Yeah.
Right. What I have to do with Afterpay is send you an invoice, and then everything is out of my hands at that point because it's a third party, and I think you got to qualify for it or something like that. So yeah, if anybody want to go that route, I just need to send them an invoice. I'll just need your name, full name, number, and email, and I can send you an invoice with the Afterpay option. That's how that
Gotcha.
works. Uh-huh. Got someone joining here. Let's see here. Hey, Rodney, welcome in. How you doing, sir?
Oh, I'm doing good. How you doing?
Not too bad, my man. You got any questions for me?
No, I came in just to listen out, see what was going on.
Okay. How long you been in the group?
Oh man, maybe about 6 months or so.
Oh, a long time, man.
Yeah, long
And how
enough.
did you find it? How did you find it?
Oh man, I found me and you friends on Facebook. Matter of fact,
Okay.
it's the same Rodney that messaged you about 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, when I got my buddy in, and
Oh yeah.
yeah,
Who did you get in again?
his name Channing, my coworker.
Gotcha. Yep. Channing. Got you.
Yep, that's it.
All right, man. Well, yeah, man. We waiting on you to get in, man.
Oh yeah, I got to go ahead and get it myself, man.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Well, good
Uh,
deal, man. Well, keep bringing them in, man. That's another stream of income.
oh
You
yeah,
have
I
some
got
company.
one buddy I'm trying to come in now, but he got that money. I'm trying to get him to come in at 50K.
Okay, well, yeah, that's a damn good start. I'm gonna
Oh,
break down before we get off here in a few minutes. I'm gonna break down the four different ways to make money here.
okay.
Okay, but let me show a couple of things real quick to you guys. 1 second here. Pull it up. I'm gonna share my screen. And also, guys, feel free to on my YouTube channel. I post these. I record these, so you guys can share these out as well. I want every avenue possible to help you guys. Bring some folks in here. All right, let me share my screen. In 1 second here. Share. All right, can you guys see this right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see it.
Yeah, I
All
see it.
right. See that graph right now? I rarely do this. It's just one of our customers here, okay, that allowed us to do this. So this is their track record. You see that? You see that upward slope right there on that graph?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
That's what you want to see right there. Okay. Now, let me blow your mind real quick. Somebody read this date to me right here at the beginning. What they say?
Yes. That's August 1st, 19.
2019, my friend.
Yeah.
All the way to what they say right there.
June 10th, 2026.
No other bot's gonna last that long. That's a guarantee. Okay, just off of that right there. And here's some of the numbers. You can see the deposit, the withdrawal they made, the profit. Okay, look at the gain. Right. This is the bot that's doing it. This is the passive income guru bot is the one that's responsible for this. This customer is very happy, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, they never, a lot of our customers come to us and they're like, man, we've never seen anything like this. We're used to bots blowing up on same story, same exact story that I told you guys. Everybody's used to the bots working for a little bit, maybe 3 months, 6 months, and then all of a sudden blows up. Okay, so this bot was designed to really operate like a real investment. Okay, slow and steady. That's going to win every single time. Now what I want to do is show you guys a video. So let's go back. Show you guys this video right here.
The really good.
So basically, let me give you the backdrop. These two gentlemen are professional Forex EA analysts. Okay, this is all they do. What they do is they analyze the EAs. They understand the coding, some of the coding, and they analyze it to see how good it is, right? So they are consultants for different brokers, and the brokers that consult them pretty much ask him, okay, what about, is this a good EA? Is this, how do you think this is going to perform, and vice versa? That's just the backdrop. Now, the EA that they're talking about on here is this bot that I have. Okay, they're actually giving big props to the developer, because I didn't develop the bot, the coder. They're giving big props to the coder of this bot right here. Okay, they're not going to say his name because the guy wants to remain anonymous. He's an 8-figure earner because of this bot. He was already a 7-figure trader, manual trader, but when he coded this bot with 15 of his best strategies, he soon became an 8-figure earner. Okay, so this is who they're talking about. So let me go ahead and play it. I'm gonna play it twice, and then we'll go ahead and end the call. All right, 1 second.
And no, the really good guys generally trade alone. Okay. Yeah, the best EA on our system Andrew, the owner of IC, he asked me to check like who was the best system. And so I did a look, and it was just this one guy. I won't say the country, but he'd built the systems himself. You could tell by the comment field. So he'd written a specific strategy for like FX on a specific time frame. It was typical kind of like homegrown, programmer comment field, but he was the best performing, and he wasn't using high risk. And then the commercial EAs were way down the list. So
I hope he's watching this podcast and he will approach me so we can make his system more popular. What I've seen from the
All right, play it one more time, guys.
No, the really good guys generally trade alone. Okay. Yeah, the best EA on our system, Andrew, the owner of IC, he asked me to check like who was the best system. And so I did a look, and it was just this one guy. I won't say the country, but he'd built the systems himself. You could tell by the comment field. So he'd written a specific strategy for like FX on a specific time frame. It was typical kind of like homegrown, programmer comment field, but he was the best performing, and he wasn't using high risk. And then the commercial EAs were way down the list. So
I hope he's watching this podcast and he will approach me so we can make his system.
So basically, if you heard the key words, key phrases, best performing, okay, and he said at the end, the commercial EAs are down at the bottom. Pretty much said that this one right here is the top of the food chain out of all the EAs, and I'm pretty sure there's thousands of them that they see. This one right here tops them all. So kind of give you guys a inkling of the caliber of a system of software that you guys have at your fingertips. Okay. So hopefully that should excite you right there. So I'm gonna stop sharing. Any last questions, guys, before we end tonight? Any last questions?
No, I appreciate it. I'll be getting in at some point here.
All right, Josiah. Well, just let me know, man. And like I said, message me on WhatsApp. That way we can get that link to you to the website. You can watch the webinar.
Sounds good.
All right, folks.
Thank you.
All right, gentlemen. Thanks for coming on this evening. You guys enjoy the rest of your evening. And y'all be safe out there now. Take care.